transmission crossmember brace, which was really rusty, which you can see in this previous video how messed up it was. I had this powder coated with high gloss black, looks really good, and I'm going to be replacing the old worn out bushings with some new Superpro polyurethane bushings. I got the MP grease, and the sub-member transmission cross brace connects through the transmission mount here. So I ordered a new Nismo transmission mount. That's the factory one. And you can see kind of some aging and stuff. So we're going to get that all replaced and all tightened up. These are the worn out rubber bushings that all fell apart when I took them off. Alright, let's go ahead and slip these in. I've got everything all lubed up with the MP special grease. Keep those squeaks down. And then when you install the top part, just make sure you get a lot of MP grease on there. And then the inner lip is going to go to this side, so the flat side is going to be installed up. And I contacted Superpro because there's no installation instructions in the box, but to me, I can just tell that that's how it all clicks together by pre-sizing it and pre-test fitting it before I put it all together with the MP grease. So that's it. So when installing the transmission mount or the rear engine mount, it's got a F for front, R for rear. Pretty simple. Alright, so I got that tightened into position, and don't worry, as far as getting these to align, I had trouble getting the cross member in, so if you let the bottom part of the Superpros kind of just fall down and rest on top of these bolts, as you get enough pressure they'll pop right into position. If you leave the Superpros pushed all the way into the cross member, it's really hard to get the bolts to line up, so line the bolts up and let the Superpros kind of rest on the bolts and then seat them all the way into it, and then when you get enough pressure they just pop right in. I'm going to finish tightening up the cross member bolts, and I'm going to go 35 foot-pounds, which is within specs in the factory service manual. I got the transmission sitting on the cross member. Putting these last nuts in and we're finished up here. Yep. And I've got quite a few other things going on, so if you guys are curious as far as what I got going on in other videos, I've got all kinds of stuff like bushings and all kinds of stuff going on in the rear that I just have not finished up yet. So the whole rear end is taken apart. Alright, well, we are all done. So we got the new Superpro transmission cross member bushings in, as well as the Nismo rear engine mount or transmission mount. So it's all in. Cross member brace is all powder coated and looking sexy, so that should help. So if you guys were curious, hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like it, give me a thumbs up down below, and subscribe for more content in the future. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you next video.